Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and in today's video, I want to share with you a couple apps that you can use instead of Doordash. Now, Doordash hasn't been the best as of lately. A lot of us Dashers have been reporting making less money. Things just ain't the same. Well, I got a remedy for you. Try some of these different apps and they may just work out for you. But before we get into that, I want to thank today's sponsor of this video. I'm going to talk about a great app. The app is called Moves. Moves is an app that's making gig work better for gig workers. Whether you need extra cash for unexpected expenses, we want to further your stake in the gig economy through stock ownership and to get all of your earnings in one place. Moves is the app just for you. Moves offers a Move spending account, easy access to your gig app cash, stock rewards, easy way to earn, track, and win, and they also provide income verification for gig workers in the gig economy, which can be very important when it comes to getting financed for certain things. First and foremost, with the Move spending account, it's a banking account built just for gig workers. You can manage your earnings across 20 supported gig platforms with no monthly fees and no minimum balance. And you have access to over 55,000 ATM locations. Ease of access when it comes to getting your cash. Using the Moves app, you can get paid on your terms. You can easily access all of your money, get some pay early, and you can have flexibility for your payouts. If you use the Move spending account, you can earn access to the Moves cash advance, and you can get a cash advance up to $2,000 interest-free cash advance with your Moves account, and there's no credit checks required. You can also early, instant, and weekly payouts, giving you simple cash flexibility. You also can have access to perks like referral cash paid straight into your Move spending account. Next, I want to touch on the stock rewards. You can start earning stock in the companies that you work for. Every qualified purchase on your Moves card earns you stock rewards. You can simplify your earnings by tracking and reporting each of your financial goals through the Moves app. And last but not least, there's that income verification. Moves can provide you easy access to proof of income and a free annual earnings income verification report upon sign up. These are things that could be a major benefit to folks in the gig economy. So look, if you want to sign up with Moves, go ahead and use my link in the description below, and you can also get $10 when you sign up with Moves once you link one qualifying gig account. All right, so the first app we have for you guys is, if you're familiar with DoorDash, you might have heard of this one. It's Uber Eats. Uber Eats is also a food delivery app, and a lot of times if you use DoorDash and Uber Eats in conjunction, you can really maximize that way. So if you're using DoorDash out there, try downloading Uber Eats and using that as well. And next up, we're going to talk about another food delivery app, and that's Grubhub. Grubhub has been around for a long time, and I like using Grubhub because you can find that even though there may not be the same amount of order volume on an app like Grubhub, you can find some nice hidden gems in there and really get some bangers. Some orders that's paying some really good miles to money ratio, and it's just another tool to have in your arsenal. Next up, we're going to switch gears a little bit, and we're going to talk about some shopping apps. First shopping app I want to recommend is Shipped. Now, it's not the best when it comes to shopping apps, but it is an app that can provide you some opportunities if you maybe have some Targets in your area, some Sherman-Williams, some Office Depots. This is an app that can provide you with some short-term opportunities to do some shopping and make some extra money. Maybe when the food delivery is getting a little bit slow. Maybe when DoorDash is having one of its down months. And that leads me into my next app, Amazon Flex. Now, Amazon Flex is paying a little bit lower than it used to in the past, but I still think that it's a great option for those who are trying to do something a little bit different than food delivery or DoorDash. Now, Amazon Flex does work in blocks, so you don't get paid per order or per delivery, but you do get paid by the time, and usually the blocks go from 3 to 4 hours, and depending on what area you're in, they can vary from $80 to sometimes $120. Now, last but definitely not least, I want you guys to try out some Walmart Spark. I've been doing a lot of Walmart Spark in the last couple of weeks, especially with the decline of the food delivery apps, and I find that it's quite refreshing being able to do some curbside pickup and some shopping on the Walmart Spark app. And the great thing about Walmart Spark is no matter if you're doing curbside pickup or shopping, all the Walmarts are pretty much set up the same. They may not look exactly the same, but the format is pretty much cookie cutter. So there you have it. You got Uber Eats, Grubhub, Shipped, Amazon Flexed, and also Walmart Spark. take some time, try out some different apps. There's many other apps out there, but these are the ones I would suggest that you try out first. Now, also, I need you to do me another favor. If there's any other apps that you think would be a good fit for those in the gig economy, especially right now when there's a lot of drivers out there struggling, go ahead, leave them in the comments below, and we're going to see what's the most mentioned app outside of the traditional ones that everybody thinks would be a good fit. I'm curious to see if we're going to have some different kind of cargo van apps or medical delivery apps, because when it comes to the gig economy and the gig community, it's always growing and changing and expanding. And from month to month, there are different sectors that are added to the gig economy, and that means there are always new opportunities emerging for us gig workers to take advantage of. So look, if you found value in this video, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. And if you want to support this channel, consider becoming a channel member.